Is your business expanding? Oh, damn, that's a good one.
Hey Todd, it's 2021, and what are businesses doing right now?
Booming.
They are booming. And when they're booming, what do they have to worry about? You have to worry about staffing,
Day-to-day operations.
accounting. Ugh. And on top of that, you also have to worry about uniforms and promotional products,
Keeping stock.
distribution between locations.
Managing inventory and reorders.
These are the worries when your business is
Booming!
And we have found through our clients that it helps to find someone you trust to take on some of those responsibilities. Find someone to handle your uniform and promotional product needs.
So it sounds like you're talking about fulfillment?
What is fulfillment?
Excellent question. Fulfillment is the production of goods, the storage of goods, and the shipment of goods. So you can focus on your business.
This means you don't have to worry about order forms,
Or someone managing your inventory.
so that you can get back to expanding your business.
And we can even set up an online store for you, taking away that worry about paperwork, who's gonna manage what. It's all done online. Place your order, and we ship it. For more information, where should they find us, Josh?
Advanced merch on our socials.
Or leave a comment below.
Oh,
And ding that bell!
I'm using that. That needs to be used. If you guys are good with that, that's being used.
Yes. I'd use any of it.